Hello, Harvest 2025 is underway and we've just got started in the oilseed rape, so I'll just show you from a driver's point of view what it's like pushing this rape up into the heap. So we've got to push this, where it's just come out of the trailer, and push it up into the heap, out here, using this blade. Okay, let's have a go. So this is the cab. Use the joystick for controlling that. I'm going to push that up to there, so off we go. Pretty straightforward. Gonna go nice and steady. Try to do this one-handed. There we go. Extend it out, lift it up, back out. That's it, job done.